So guys, you see? Very quick and easy. They tell you all you have to do is boil the macaroni and salt.
Story. You would have more accept my appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
So welcome back to another video. So today I will be making shrimp Alfredo. I'll be showing you guys how I make my shrimp Alfredo, guys. So guys, just sit back, relax, stay tuned. So yes guys, I have my oil hot here, and also over here I have my macaroni, my shrimp right here, my onion, and my chopped green onion, which we call escallion in Jamaica. This is my Scotch bonnet pepper with my bell peppers, otherwise known as green pepper. Classic Alfredo here that I'm going to work with, because yes, it's shrimp Alfredo. So just sit back, relax, and wait for the video. As you can see, I pour in my bell pepper with my onion, my Scotch bonnet pepper, and my green onion. I'm gonna go by pouring my shrimp. I didn't put any seasoning on the shrimp, guys. No seasoning at all. You know? I remember the pasta, you don't need too much stuff at the moment. Then I just sprinkle some stuff over it. Guys, I'm gonna go by pouring my garlic powder. Oh, garlic is nice in pasta, if you didn't know that. Very nice. You know? With the chicken seasoning. Granny don't want some of my shrimp. Granny don't want none of my shrimp. The shrimp almost cooked enough. Guys, of course I gotta do some cayenne pepper. So that's what's gonna kick this bucket. Yes, people. So yes guys, so remember the macaroni already cooked, so you cook the shrimp a little. So you see the shrimp is cooked now. So I'm gonna go by pouring my macaroni. I feel like me I use too much macaroni. Guys, you don't want to see what I've done? I have it on low heat. So this is currently what is going on at this moment. It smells good, you smell it though? Smell real good. See that? I'm pouring my Alfredo. Ooh. So guys, on this jar, I'm going to add a little water to this, then I'm going to pour it inside of the Alfredo. This is gonna be fire! So guys, you see? Very quick and easy. They tell you all you have to do is boil the macaroni and saute everything. You know, very quick and easy way to make my Alfredo pasta. Look at that, very creamy too. You know? So guys, I'm going to let this sit for 1 minute, then I'm going to turn it off, because you don't want your shrimp to overcook. So guys, the moment you all have been waiting for. My shrimp Alfredo pasta. Yes guys, get into it. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corgudas. Look at that, guys. Wow. I'm gonna eat good today.